XFM Katropa.
Sige. Kana.
Tutulak kayo.
Sorry na.
Palakas ang boses, sir. Thank you.
Kasama ko lang ang mga senador ngayon at nagpulong-pulong kami para makita talaga ako ano yung mangyari. From chronology of events, at approximately 7:46, armed men tried to enter through the second floor but were stopped by the OSA. They had firearms with them, but the OSA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and then started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We have instructed the GSIS and the Senate building, the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number one, to secure the senators. There is no politics at this time. In these times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all will lead one nation. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here
Secure na to uban, ni una nag-uli.
In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. I made that very clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find them. We have all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
What's the motive
First and foremost, we thank God that everyone is safe. We'd like to thank the President, Secretary Teodoro, Secretary Remulla, who personally came here, Chief PNP Nartatis is here. So as you know, last Monday, nag-request po tayo ng PNP just to make sure na yung investigation natin with NBI, that there will be no untoward incidents. So at around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators got warnings na umuwi na. At nagtataka kami what...
Sa to pa, ligtas ang may alam, ana.
Sabi ko, please don't believe that because the last thing anyone wants is yung gulo. At around that time, we got information, about an hour before that, we got information, parating na dito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our focus and to mag-meeting na how we can prove by actions yung sinabi namin that this change in leadership is not about politics, it's not about impeachment. So at around that time na sinabi ni Sec. Remulla, we heard noises, akala ni Senator Villanueva, paputok, fireworks, and I even went to the window at pinagalitan nga ako ng sister ko dahil we don't do that. But after a few minutes, may paputok na naman, it smelled. And then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na ma-contact. And then tumawag yung USAA na, sir, confirmed na may shooter. Hanggang dun lang. By that time, tumawag na si Sec. Remulla that calm everyone down, but we're on our way, make sure na papasukin kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation. I expressed to the President, who was a senator before he became President, Sec. Remulla, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but yung integrity din ng Senado. The building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even our building, it's GSIS. But it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media. No? I know you're also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, make sure lang na hindi tayo ma-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So the OSAA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Sec. Remulla is now going floor by floor, and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight. No, I'll be here and we'll brief you further. No, so we'll stop there. Pasensya lang po kayo. We'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-ibang magpa-interview. So I'm directing the staff, no, not to tell a lie, not to tell the whole truth. and to make sure nga that we cooperate with the PNP in their investigation.
Who are the shooters and how many, sir? How many shooters, sir? How many?
Again, okay, we still have to determine through CCTV footage kung sino o ilan talaga sila.
Opo.
So, we cannot answer that with any definitive
Paano po nakapasok? Paano po nakapasok?
Sir, usa ay
Kuratan
mo
po ta,
nagpapatok
ni.
warning shot.
warning shot, Saan gave a warning shot, and in their retreat, they started firing into the air. That's as far as we know. Okay? That is not conclusive. We still have to review the footages.
We'll stop at the word suspect kasi pag nilabel namin yun, eh, meron ng conclusion na rin yung iba.
But there-
But we told Sec. Remulla kung sino ang suspect, kung ano suot, kung ano ang sinasabi nilang kung sino sila. But I'll
Perceived
stop here.
NBI daw? Perceived NBI, sir?
We'll not confirm.
No questions, sir.
No,
Stop
it's okay
tayo.
questions, but forgive us because we don't want to say something na hindi mabawi. If government did this to government, we are in trouble. And I want that there's a presumption of regularity na hindi to gagawin ng kahit anong agency sa atin. Having said that, from the President down to the secretaries, ilan na rin silang tumawag, assures us that magiging independent at no holds barred yung investigation.
Perceived NBI po ba yung nakapasok? Perceived NBI ba, sir?
Please do not ask questions that are leading.
Pero sabi po kasi ni Secretary Mendoza, sir, SecDong.
Ay, lagi daw.
How about Sen Bato?
Please do not ask
Senator Bato de la Rosa, how is he, sir?
Nagbibigyan na lang sila ng details.
Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe. He is with his security personnel. He has been informed of our activities. We have assured him that there is no warrant of arrest to be served. Okay? I am here to ensure the integrity of the Senate and to protect the protection of all the senators. Okay? Please.
What's the, walang motive pa, sir, kay
You cannot,
Nikita?
you cannot
Okay na, Kap. Alas 7:57 mga higala, agatag nas bundag og kadto mga katropa inyo nabati ang joint statement. Although lang kayo kan kay wa man gud maplastar. Ano na may mga heart na. Nalagi doon ang gawas ng mga heart lagi. Akong pananaw mo nag heart. Di ara to. Mas nalipat na siguro ko ba? Alas 7:57 na mga kaigsunan. No, di lang kay maklaro kay, siyempre, sa panghitabo pa naman, mga kaigsunan. Sige, pangutana, di lang yun mo tubag o pangutana nga leading, no? Dili mo tubag si Remulla o pangutana nga leading. Kay, basig mabulabog ko niya. So, purnada ang investigation. Nan, may buntag ni Melvin Kapangpangan Jr., si Robin o Kiko ang imbestigahan sa tulpo kay Silos man daw na. Albert Aduba si Trillanes Pudbaya kay si Bato ang gipasanginlan. Pakana daw to ni Bato. Wala diha ginapaingon. Wa pa gani katingog si Anticler, inigtingog ni Anticler karon si Digong pasanginlan ana. Og si Sara Duterte ang pasanginlan ana may gala ni Ante. Sa inyong tanaw be. Wala na, basa na kayo na ito, may gala. Naanas TV. Basa na kayo na ito sa TV, mga katropa, ang pwedeng mamayag ng Anticler ya. No? Ang posibleng pasagin lang ni Anticler anak magayigsoon. Wala na po, mga Duterte na po.